Hey, this is a short video to welcome you to the Define and Refine Your Profitable Niche website. I am so glad that you're here. Here's the thing. I definitely recommend you to sign up here below so that you get the latest information about this program. Things do change time to time. I'm not intentionally doing that, but what I'm doing is to continuously improve this program so that you get the maximum results out of it. And all that information is down below. So I'm not going to go over this. What I want you to know is this process, what happens next. So in order for you to join this program, you will have to apply for it. There is this application process in place just to make sure that this program is for you. It's to your advantage, basically. If you're not ready for whatever reason, or you're not, say your business isn't something that I can help you with, then I'm not going to force you to join this program at all. I wanted to be 100% honest and transparent to say, these are the things that you need to do beforehand, or these are the things that you can do and I can refer you to someone else. That's what I wanted to do. That is the reason why there's this process that's in place. But if you have any questions though, feel free to reach out. I will get back to you either via email, or we can hop on the call with no obligations. If you have some concerns or questions that are not part of the descriptions below, then just reach out to me and we'll have a chat. But anyway, once again, I am so glad that you're here, and enjoy.